Hey you, it's me, the Keebo, the cat. Just kidding, I'm not the cat. If you saw my first video, you would know that was a joke. A horrible joke. What am I talking about here today? A friend of mine was wondering, hey, can you build me a keyboard? Because I really want to get into the mechanical keyboard stuff. And I said no. I don't make keyboards. I assemble them. I rather say I assembled keyboards than I built a keyboard, because you just get the one piece, you just put the pieces together, and that's how you assemble a keyboard. Building just sounds a little bit too much credit for what I do, which I don't really do anything. Anyways, took some pictures of the keyboard, of what you get. First, we got the novelty case, which is pretty nice. It came with the NK65 in white that we decided to get. It's actually really nice. I would prefer this one over my N65 milkshake edition because that's plastic, and I would prefer to use a full metal one. I like the heft. It's very hefty. It's a hefty boy. And then we decided finally on a keycap that she really liked, which is the chalk. That's all I know. That's probably not what it's even called. If I'm mistaken, then I'm just gonna put a little subtitle right here just to correct myself, but I believe they're called chalks. I don't know what profile they were. She was also very comfortable with using Cherry MX Reds, and I was like, okay, I mean, if that works for you, then we could definitely do that. I never really used MX Reds for a long term, but I was also curious what it would sound like if you lubed them up. Because, you know, people are just like, ew, why are you using Cherry MX Reds? Get something else. Or something. I don't know. But in the end, the keyboard came out really nice. The case is like, it's really nice. It's hefty. The white is nice. The keycap set kind of goes with it too, and it's a nice looking board. Honestly, like I would have kept this board if I wanted to, or if she decided not to continue with this build, and I would have been like, all right, you're lost, and it's my game. But she has the keyboard. She bought everything, so she has it now. Another picture of me with the switches all lubed up and everything, you know, nice and tidy. And then there it is, a nice picture of the keyboard. It's very nice, especially the silly faces that you get with the keycap. It's pretty funny. Anywho, I should probably stop talking because you're not here to hear me talk at all. So here's my stock versus Looby Dooby. Yeah, we're calling it Looby Dooby. And yeah, honestly, the Cherry Reds lubed, they don't sound that bad, and they're actually really fun to type on. Actually, they felt really nice. But you know, don't listen to me, because what do I know? I don't really know anything about keyboards, honestly. I just assemble them, and I think I know what I'm doing. But yeah, watch the video, see what you like. If you agree with me or not. Cherry MX Reds, stock versus Luby. And yeah, there you go. Have fun.